Good morning, children. It is dated at 27 November 2020. Welcome to my conversation class, English. Conversation. English conversation. Open your conversation copy. Children, open your conversation copy. Are you getting my voice? Is my voice clear? Hello? Is my voice clear? My voice clear? Are you getting my voice? No.
Sir, your voice is not clear. Sir, you are mute. Sir, you are unmute.
Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait. Sit properly. Let us practice it today. Are you regular? I have written are you regular? Okay. Are we teachers? Are we teachers? Third one. Are they parents? Are they parents? Is he well? Is he well? Is she at home? Is she at home? Is come back to the point. Is it okay? I have given a few points here. First, are you regular? Sit properly. Are you regular? I have just given a few questions, 1 to 6. 6 questions have been given. Look at. Are you regular? Are you regular? Are you regular? Children, are you regular? Shaurya, are you regular? Varun, you need to understand this point, this question, okay? Are you regular? We will answer together, okay? Look at number 2. Are we teachers? Are we teachers? Are we teachers? Are we teachers? Look at the number 2. Are we teachers? Are we teachers? Number 2. Are we teachers? Now look at number 3. Are they parents? Are they parents? Are they parents? Are they parents? Here, number 4. Is he well? Is he your father? Is he well? Is he your friend? Is he well? Is he your brother? Is he well? Is he well? Look here. Is he well? Now, number 5. Is she at home? Is he at home? Is she your mom? Is she your mother? Is she at home? Is she your friend? Is she at home? Okay, see. Number 5. Look at the number 6. Is he talking? Is he talking? Is he talking? Here, I have given only and only 6 points. They are questions. All these are your questions. Okay? Now, how to respond, how to answer, we will learn. Okay? Are you regular? Do you have answer better? Anyone of you? Are you regular? Hello? How to answer? Any one of you? Do you have answer? Okay. Okay, okay. I'm coming. I'm coming. Jia, Jia. I'm coming to you, Jia. Jia 6577. Turn on your video, yes. Sit
Yes,
properly.
sir.
Are you getting my voice, Jia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you regular, Jia?
Sir, yes. Yes, it is.
Wait, beta, wait, wait. Let me write.
Sir, yes.
Wait, wait. Let me write. S. Yes.
Sir, yes. You are.
No, you.
Sir, yes, you are.
Are you regular? Are you regular? Yes.
You are.
Yes. I am. Yes. I am.
Yes, sir.
You.
Sir, yes, I am.
You will become I in answering. Okay. Yes. I am. Are you regular?
Yes, sir.
Are you regular, Jia? Are you regular, my child? Are you regular, children? Yes. Yes.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
You.
yes, I am. No, I am not.
Yes. I am.
Sir, no, I am not. Sir,
No.
no, I am not.
No. No.
I am
No. I'm not.
not.
Okay. Is it clear? Wait.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Is there any doubt? Anybody else? Any one of you? Any one of you?
No, sir.
Vivek Singh, Avnish Kumar Yadav, Abha Kashyap,
Madam.
Ramesh Yadav. Turn on your video. If you are interested, turn on your videos. Okay. Wait. I'm coming to you. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at number 2. A, B. Teachers. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Look at number 2. A, B. Teachers. How to respond? How to answer?
Yes, we are teachers.
Wait. Yes.
We are teachers.
Yes, we are. Okay. And then second one.
No, no, we are not.
No. We are
Not.
not. Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, we are. Are we teachers? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. No, we are not. Yes, we are. No, we are not. Okay. Wait. Sit properly, beta. Yes. I'm coming to you. Shaurya Pandey.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at number 3, beta. Just try to read this question, this point. Okay. Are they
Parents.
parents? Are they parents? Are they parents? Are they parents?
Yes, they are parents.
This is our question. Okay. Yes.
They are parents.
Yes. They are. Yes. They are.
Yeah. Parents.
Now, number two, beta.
No,
No.
no, they are not.
No. They are
Not.
not. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, mute yourself. Sit properly. Okay. I'm coming to you. Wait. Now,
Yes, sir.
we will take up a next point. Our next point is number 4. Is he well? Is he well? Is he well?
Yes, he will.
Yes.
Yes, he will.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Okay.
He is.
Yes, he is. Now, second one.
No, he is not.
No. No.
He
He's not. No, he's not.
not.
Yes, he is. Yes, he
He
is.
is.
No, he's not. Is it clear?
No, he's not.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, beta?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. I'm listening. Turn on your videos. Abba Kashyap, I'm coming to you. Abba, we are interacting with each other.
Yes, sir.
Abba, look at number 5. Is she at home? Is she at home? Abba,
Yes. Yes, he at.
yes. Okay. Try to find out the answer. Try to answer. Try to respond.
Yes.
At home. Okay.
Yes, he. Yes, he.
She is. Yes. She.
She
Yes. She.
is. No.
No. Wait. No.
No.
No. She's.
No, he is. He is not.
Beta. No. She's.
No,
No. She's
not.
not. Okay.
Not.
No. She's not.
Not.
At this point, number 5. Is she at home? Is she at home? Yes. She is. Yes. She is. No. She's not.
Is she
No.
at home?
Yeah.
She is.
No. She's.
She is
No. She's
not.
not. Okay.
Not.
Wait. Abba. Thank you. Wait. Shivangi Gupta, I'm coming to you. Shivangi, turn on your video. Sit properly, students. Pay attention. Try to open your conversation copy. Okay. And we have to focus on this pattern. Okay. Shivangi, look at number 6. Look at this point. Is it okay? Is it okay? Shivangi, is it okay? Is it okay? Shivangi, try to find out answer. Shivangi Gupta. I'm waiting for you, beta. Wait. Yes? 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 Hello? Tell me yes? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. No. No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay? Is it okay? Yes, it is. No, it's not. Is it clear? Any problem is there? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, wait. Now, we will interact with each other. Okay? I'm asking. See, look at your conversation copy, okay? Just try to open a page. Answer in yes or no. One day I have given you work, yes or no. Okay. Is it important? Is it important? Hello? Who is there? Hello? Is it important? Are you Ritesh Vishwas? Hello? Hello? Turn on your videos. Yuvraj? 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 Are you getting? Are you getting my voice? Yuvraj? Hello? Yuvraj? Yuvraj Singh? Hello? Ritesh Vishwas? Ritesh Vishwas? Ritesh Vishwas? Ritesh? Ritesh Vishwas? Are you listening to me? Hello? Ritesh Vishwas? Abhinav Pratap Singh? Abhinav? Abhinav? Abhinav Pratap Singh? Abhinav?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abhinav, is it important? Listen to me. I'm asking a question. Okay. Is it important? Answer, beta. Is it important? We will interact with each other. Abhinav Pratap, is it important? Try to answer. Abhinav, Abhinav Pratap Singh, is it important? Abhinav, are you not able to listen? Abhinav, Abhinav Pratap Singh, Abhinav. Abhinav. Hello. Abhinav Pratap Singh.
सर म्यूट बंद है.
Abhinav.
हेलो.
Abhinav.
यस सर.
Okay. Is it important?
यस सर.
Is it important? Yes. Yes. How to answer? Is it important? Hello. Yes. I'm not listening you. Hello. Abhinav Pratap Singh. Abhinav. Hello. Abhinav Pratap Singh.
यस सर.
Listen to me. Is it important? Is it important, Abhinav?
सर नहीं याद है.
What?
याद है.
Just learn, beta.
यस
Yes.
सर.
Yes. It is. No, it's not. Is it important? Is it important? Yes. It is. No, it's not.
सर मैं आ रहा हूँ.
Try to learn. Bit. Basic. Yuvraj. Yuvraj. Anurag Kumar, sit properly. Anurag. Yuvraj. Sir. Yuvraj is not able to listen to me. What? Yuvraj. Let me see. 10:20 high. 10:22. My next period will be there. And then next period. Okay. This is okay. Okay. Now you will learn, you will practice it every day and just try to learn something, okay, day by day. And goodbye, children. I'm going to end the meeting, okay? I have a class, okay?